Okay, we got a bird in the middle of the road here. We went right over the top of him.
Sorry, sweetie. Okay, she's flying over there, so let's put it over there.
Okay, so Truly's gonna be the bird saver. Somehow the little baby. Hold on, let me get a close up. Little baby ended up in the. Look at how cute he is! Oh my god.
He doesn't have eyes yet. He can't see.
Yeah, I could see an eye on this side.
Okay, come on, come on. No. Come.
You gotta get tough, Truly. Grab him.
I know.
Grab him.
Okay.
Oh, take your time. Take your time.
I don't want to freak
Oh,
out
there
the
goes
parents.
Mom.
I don't want to freak out the parents. He's trying to get away, Xander.
Okay.
I don't want to hurt him.
Okay. He's yelling at us. The mom was just going out there. The mom was just going out there with some food. Oh, now he's flying down in the ditch. Yeah. He went over the edge. Yeah, but that's not good. He's trying to get up. Go on, little guy.
Where he can put him? Xander.
Look at that little guy. I'm gonna put him over here.
Okay.
There you go.
He's gonna go where he's gonna go.
Yeah. Come on, Mom. Bring him some food. All right, he'll be safe in the woods there. He won't be such easy prey for a hawk to be able to see him. Hey, Mom. How you guys doing? You gonna feed the little baby? All right, he'll be okay now, I think. Can't have him down in that ditch because he's open prey down there for all kinds of animals. All right, they're yelling at me. Saving a bird. There's the parents all mad up there. I saw he had a worm in his mouth when they were going out to feed him right when we grabbed him, so I'm glad he's in a safer spot. Hey guys, if you like our videos, hit that like, that subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.